Hello, this is Carl G. I just want to show you a little bit what will happen when you purchase the Bzcale conversions. You will get an email after confirmed payment. You will get an email and you will be forwarded to a page where you will see this sign up or join page. It's the conversions.bzcale.net join PHP. Very important to have the PHP at the end, otherwise you will not see this page. And in your email, which you get when you have purchased, you will have an invite code, and that is the invite code you put here. And otherwise you just sign up with your first name, last name, email and your own password. And then when you click join now, you will come into the login page. And the login page will look like this, and the URL is conversions.bzcale.net login PHP. And the same here. It's very important that you use the .php in the end. And here you just log in with your username and password, and it's good a username can be your email, of course, which you put on when you signed up or joined on the previous page. And when you are logged in, it's a very simple interface, user interface. You have the dashboard where we are now, where you also have your account with the support link. It goes to IM Buyers Club support, ticket system, support system, and you have your logout button. And on the dashboard here you see all those elements you have created. Of course, when you start up, there are all zeros here everywhere. So you have the total elements, the number of buttons you created, the number of images, and timers, distract messages, YouTube videos. And here you have a short presentation of the best click-through rates on any of your elements. And here are the more details, how many views you had on the different or altogether actually. And here are the details of the clicks. So you can easily calculate your click-through rate, which you have calculated for you here. Then every item which you have created, they also have their own statistics, but it doesn't work yet. It will come with the device and the browser and the operative system. It's not implemented yet, and to be honest, you probably don't need it, because also most of the links which you send, I strongly recommend that you have not the raw links, but through another shortener, which also gives you statistics, and where you also can add your pixels. So that was just a small presentation, a quick of the what will happen when you sign up and when you join, when you log in. And then I will let the developer Satish take over and present how you create those elements.
Hey, what's up, guys? So using the software is pretty easy. Let me explain how it works. So this is your dashboard. You will see all the data right here, okay? Pretty quick. What you need to do is go to elements, okay? Elements are things that you can add on an email, sales page, landing pages, websites, okay? And we have 5 kinds of elements. Number 1 is just images, okay? Number 2 are buttons. Number 3 are timers. Number 4 is self-destruct messages that you can add on an email that will expire as soon as the time ends, and YouTube videos. Okay, just click on one of these. Okay, for example, let's click on button. Okay, simple as that. Okay, you can just put it like that. Okay, I'm going to copy that. And you can just put it in. These are meant usually for the emails. Keep that in mind when you're using it, okay? and boom. So all you do is just click on this. It's copied and pasted the HTML code. Now you need to copy and paste this code on your Aweber, email marketing software, email, whatever autoresponder that you use, okay? Simple as that. Now, you know the image is very simple. Let's look at timers. That's a little different, okay? Let's go to this element, sorry. We can go right here. Let's go ahead and click on add a new timer, okay? And then let's go ahead and click on, just name it, right? And then what's the end time? So maybe like tomorrow, right? Just put a time, it's up to you. You can just change these up however you want to make it, right? We can make it black, whatever you want. And this is the message after it ends. So, deal expired. Okay. If it's working, it'll go to Google. If it's not working, it'll go to Bing. So whatever you want to put, you can put it right here. And then again, just copy the HTML. Now, if you don't know how to put the HTML, ask your autoresponder. It's quite easy. Usually they have a button. Just copy and paste it. You can copy and paste it on an email, autoresponder, even WordPress, any of those. Okay, any of those, and you'll be good to go. And that's pretty much it. Okay, that's pretty much it. Go through it, enjoy it. Like, let's use this one. Self-destruct, click on add new. So secret message right here. And then once you click on it, give me a second. And then just, let's say you want to give out a message to somebody on an email. Let's say, for example, end time is this, okay? Link, whatever you want, okay? Coupon code is this, right? So after, so you can put this on an email, and after like this time, what's going to happen is it's going to say expired. It's not going to have this message right here. So this is going to give incentive to your buyer's prospect to take action when they get that email. See how cool that is? Yeah. So give it a try, enjoy it, play around with it. I think you'll love it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your purchase and have a beautiful day. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through our support, not that one. Go directly to geargroup.net and open up a ticket, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. In this short video I would like to show you how to create an HTML email in Gmail. It's not that easy as it may be as in ordinary autoresponder email platforms, but I will show you a very easy way to do it, and that is by connecting this Cloud HQ plugin in Gmail. So you do as always, you click create a new message, and when you are into this screen you see that you have more tools down here, and these more tools come from that you have connected the HTML plugin from this Cloud HQ. So what we do here, that we click this, edit as HTML, and it will come up a big screen with the editing to the left, and the display, what you see is what you get in this screen to the right. And now we just have to select the source here, which brings us into the HTML editor. And then we copy the 5 different elements which we just created in conversion elements, and we paste them into the editor, and you see immediately here comes the resulting email, how it looks like when it's decoded from HTML. And here of course you can make whatever changes you would like to make. If you want, for example, the image to be smaller, you find the image width here, and you can, for example, scale it down to 350, and you see immediately it becomes smaller there. And when you are happy, you can go out from the source and into the WYSIWYG editor, and here you can of course add whatever. My conversion elements, for example, and this will then come out and be visible here. So let's see how it looks like in the receiving end. Well, to send this, you close the editor, you add the receiver, you can add another, change the subject title, and then you just click on send like always down here. And this is how it looks like at the receiving end. As you can see here, it depends of course how wide screen you have. This is in now on a normal desktop view, but here you have the 5 elements. You have the image element link, you have the button with the link, you have the down counter, and you have the what's it called, self-destructing message also with a link, and you have the video. Let's look at how it works. So here you just the receiver just hover over, click, and comes to whatever URL you put into the element. The same for the button. The timer has no URL on itself, but when this timer has expired, there will be another message here saying whatever you put into it in the conversion element creation, and that message will have link included. The conversion boosting or the self-destructing message also have a link. So here you can put a message, for example a coupon or something that you want, some extra discount that also will live for a short time. So either you use the timer or you use the self-destructing message, or you use both of them. Anyhow, this is also connected to a URL, so you can see how that works. For the video thumbnail, you have put the video URL, and it's the same here. It's just to click on the image and it will go directly to YouTube.
Hi there. I'm sure you'll agree that email marketing.
So that's how it looks like, and you must admit, of course, you don't put all of these elements in maybe the same email at the same time, but at least you see here how easy it is to make the emails much more attractive for and increase conversions. It's much more attractive to click on a button than to click on a raw link, for example, and for more reaction from these self-destructing images or messages, and the timer is of course very valuable. So that was it. Now you have seen how to create an email in Gmail, an HTML email in Gmail, and how it looks in the receiving end. So I'm sure you see the advantages of using conversion elements, and I really hope you will pick that up as quick as possible. And if any question, just put in a ticket at support.iambiasclub.com. Thank you for watching.